Today, we're making a deliciously easy and low-cost lemongrass ground pork. This easy pork recipe is simple and has minimal prep work. It is still packed with lots of flavor though, and I like to make this for lunch by meal prepping. It makes about 6 servings. If you're looking for an easy but tasty option to save money on food, then give this a try. So, let's get cooking. Crush 4 garlic cloves. Dice half a yellow onion. Dice 1 shallot. Then cut into small pieces 4 sticks of lemongrass. Add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 2 1/4 pounds of ground pork or ground chicken, then mix it all together. We'll also cut 2 Thai chili peppers, and mix. Let this marinate for about 15 minutes. On a wok set to high heat, cook our pork. Add about a handful of Thai basil. This gives the dish some additional aromatic flavor. And then toss and allow to cook until the pork is fully cooked. This smells delicious. And boom, we have a surprisingly easy lemongrass ground pork. This is a great option to serve with some jasmine rice for lunch and reheats in the microwave really well. Feel free to use chicken, of course, if preferred. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.